Anyway, that's it for me. What do you got? You got any hot stories, Will?
Okay. Well, speaking of flying, we have a Tokyo hotel that has a flight simulator in it. If you decide to rent this room, which is right next to the Hanada airport, you can actually rent it and have flying lessons.
Wow.
So,
For the record, everyone, we're not
So-
talking about a flight simulator like you put on a VR headset. We're talking about
this is a
a,
full-on.
a realistic cockpit.
Yep.
It's massive.
And
it's as big as the hotel room.
Yep, it's in your room. The bed is literally right beside the cockpit. And you can actually hire a pilot and you can co-pilot it.
Right.
guess,
I see the simulator aspect. So where the windows would normally be, this is like a high-end flight simulator.
Yeah.
Where the windows would normally be, their screens, and like the aspect ratio, everything's lined up perfectly, so it looks like you're looking out. I mean, it's a high-end simulator. Now they say you can stay there for $232 a night.
And you can hire an instructor for a 90-minute block for $275.
You know what?
And he can teach you how to fly.
That's not terrible.
It's not bad.
Wow. Not something I would expect to see at a hotel.
No.
When you look at the picture here, the whole thing feels very odd because it would be tough to relax in the bed next to that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just very aggressive.
It's just crashing into a mountain.
I don't know.
It's
It's just very aggressive to sleep in a bed next to it. I just feel like there's heat coming off it, and some of those gauges got to be humming and buzzing. But
it's like red alert. It's
that
red
said,
alert while you're sleeping.
If you're an aviation enthusiast, that could be a cool experience. Mm-hmm. Couple of yen, pay a couple yen to stay there. Plus, you're at the terminal, so there's an aviation aspect because you're at the airport. Like it's a hotel. It's an airport hotel. Mm-hmm. So every time you think you thought of everything, all you have to do is go to Japan.
Yep.
And it's something.
They bring it up like a different bar.
It's like something you didn't think there was any need for at all, and you're like, oh, okay, well done.
Normal hotel room and then a cockpit.
Yeah, it's right. That's right. It's worth noting that the hotel room is incredibly normal. It's not like the whole thing feels like a theme park. The rest of the hotel room is just like every other hotel room in the hotel. Then it's just got the cockpit as well.
And it's not for kids either, the cockpit. It's literally a legit cockpit.
Yeah.
So
it's pretty wild.
there's that.
Anyway,